how to remove members in Facebook group. In this video, you will learn the easiest and fastest way on how to remove your members in a Facebook group. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the complete step-by-step tutorial on how to delete permanently members on your Facebook group. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing, tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! Keep in mind na pwede mo lang ma-delete or you can only remove members from the group kung kayo ay admin or moderator ng group. So, dito sa video na to, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba gawin nito step by step. Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to remove your members in a Facebook group. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to, and smash the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing, tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.